Hi everyone, Deb here. I am here to share an estimate of my December 2024 coloring plans. Now, I'm going to show you this and I'm going to tell you that January will not be this many pages. I don't know if December will be this many pages, but this is a plan. All great plans are meant to change, right? Yeah. I just have my eyes are bigger than my abilities kind of thing going on. In November, I did 15 pages and I have more than double that listed here. But some of them are more bold and easy ones than I did in November, so we'll see. I don't know. So I'm going to sit this in front of me and I'll just go through them. And I forgot to tell you something in the November video for the first book. So the first one is Matchstick Mouse 25 Days of Kindness coloring book. And I had previously said that I wanted to do one page in November, the intro page, and then I wanted to color a page a day or maybe do them ahead of time in December. I can't do that, and I don't really need to do that. So what I've decided is I'm going to do 2 pages a month, and that if there's 25 days, if I do the intro and maybe a page in December and then 2 pages a month every month in next year, it'll take us to next December. So that is what I'm going to plan to do. 2 pages a month in Matchstick Mouse 25 Days of Kindness, and then the final one is like a Christmas one. So we should be right around December next year and we'll finish the book. Sound like a plan? I like it. Because there's no way. There's just no way. And I have too many other books I want to color in. Next up is Martha's new book. I have not picked the pages, but I think I might just do these little intro pages, and then I want to do 5 pages in here because I don't think they'll really take me that long depending on what mediums I used. They may not look as marvelous as Martha's do, but I'll have fun with it. And I want to do at least 5 pages in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So another one in the present bag, Santa bag, I guess. I might skip that one and do this one because I like the little gingerbread girl. So that's the plan for Christmas Love, at least 5 pages plus the intros there. And then I have this large print Christmas coloring book for adults. I'm only planning 1 page in here, which is Welcome Winter, and I'll probably share that on the first day of winter, and I might be inspired and do this one and these little things here too. I'm not sure, but Welcome Winter. So that is the first main page I'll do in there. And then back to Martha's books. I think. Nope, that's not Martha's book. Where'd it go? Where did it go? Well, I'll come back to that one. The teddy bears book, I want to do 1 page in there too, but I don't know what I did with it. Oh, here it is. I would like to try and do this page in the teddy bear book. So I'm not going in order because they're not all Christmas stuff, There's also this one with the holly leaves, but no, I want to do this one. And then the other one can be for next Christmas. So that's that. And then in Xmas Cuties, I wrote I wanted to do 3 pages. I definitely want to do Rudolph. If I do candy canes in Martha's book, I don't think I want to do them here. Maybe that one. I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, I'll do hopefully 3 pages in that. And then Fuzzy Buddies, 1 page, and the one I want to do is this one. So that's cute, right, for December. And this is all different just being cozy. So it could be for winter. I'll probably do one or two more in January in that one. We'll see. I have other plans for January already. And then I do want to do 2 pages in, oops, in this one, color by number, stained glass. My little thing won't stay up. There we go. And I haven't used this one yet, so I want to do the bells, and I would like to do this snow globe. I think that'll be cool. I haven't decided what medium I should use yet. What do you think I should use in this? I know I'm not going to use water-based markers. I might try and do alcohol markers with colored pencil on top of some areas. We'll see. But that's or glitter or gel pen on top of the bells, and I don't know yet. We'll see. But anyway, I want to do those 2 pages in that. And then bold and easy. Nope. This is Christmas. Where did I put this? Oh, yeah, Christmas Cuties coloring, just 1 page. This jar with these little snowmen and gingerbread and a tree and everything. It might take me a little longer, but I would like to try that. Okay. Next up, who did I miss? Oh, okay. In Jamie's collab, there's 5 weeks, and I need to do all 5. So today I will be finishing. I already started on it, so I can't show you the page for December 2nd. And then there's 4 other Mondays in December. So I'll probably try and color more than one at a time and schedule them. But yeah, 5 pages in that. So I do want to do that in December. And for Rosemary's, there's also 5 pages. And I have not started on the one for December because I can't remember what it is right now. But I will look that up. And for M Beam's Mandala Mondays, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this, but I hope to get this one mandala done for December. I can only do 1 in this book. I might use alcohol markers in here because it'll be faster than colored pencil. So I think that's what I'm going to try and do to get that done a little bit faster than the last one took me. And then for the other weeks for mandalas, I plan to work in this book, and I'm just going in order in here. These are color by number. I have one already done for the 2nd, but I need to do the other 4 weeks. So that'll be 3 weeks, because this will be one of the weeks too. I don't know which week yet. So those are my collab books. And then I know I missed something. Yes. I would like to do 1 page in December for Color Me Kittens, a perfect coloring book. It's a little more detailed, but it's not really, I don't think it'll be really hard. We will see, because there's like a lot of floor and this is all tree. I don't know, it could be complex. So I'd like to do this one. And I have one other one, I think. Did I already? I might have already. No, I think that's all the main ones. And that should, oh no, I missed Annie Day. Where did Annie Day go? Okay, so for this one, normally I wasn't going to do anything in this for December. However, Amanda Colors, Colours, has a birthday in December, and she has a birthday challenge, but she also has a Annie Day wreath picture, and I have this book, so she's anybody that wants to color along, this is the page she's doing. So I am going to try and do this, and she said probably more of a spring wreath, but we're going to turn it into Christmas and pretend these are Christmas cards in the mail going in. Um, and she said try to make it before December 27th, and she has where to share it. I will link the video she did of all the hashtags she has in December if you would like to play along. The other one I was thinking of doing, but I haven't picked a book or anything for it. It could end up being one of the mandalas or something. She has a birthday on the 13th. So birthday challenge, color the 13th page in any book and post it on Instagram. Hashtag color, COLOUR, Amanda's birthday 2024. And preferably something that's party or celebration, no Christmas themed. But yeah, so I'll see. I don't know if I'll get to that, but I'm going to try. So I'll at least do Annie's Day any day because I have that book, right? So, and then I do have some maybes. Let me put this down because they're in a different spot. I think they are. Yeah. Okay, I have Magic Beauty, one page, The Deer Stag. I really wanted to try and do, I know I'm doing the mandala deer, right? But if I don't get to that for some reason, I wanted to try this because it has this grayscale, which supposedly on a picture like this for beginners helps you with shading because it's already kind of darkened and stuff. I just want to try it and see, and it's not overly detailed. I wouldn't even have to do the background or anything fancy, just that. So that's one I would like to get to. And then I got this 50 Arctic theme miniatures to color. I don't think I specifically picked a page, but I might just try and do that and this because they would be good practice for this. Oh, I don't know. This looks sort of Christmassy with the lights and stuff. I mean, and it is cold here right now, and it would also give me gem practice, but I'm not sure. If I do this, I probably won't do these. So actually I should practice. I should do this one. But I don't know. I'm going to try and do at least one page in there. And then the last one is Broken Circles, one page by Tabitha Barnett. And this is the one because it's Christmas, you know? Yeah. And that doesn't look terribly hard, and it's got a black background, so I don't have to do any background either. I might try and do that too. I don't know when I'm going to do it, but I might. That's it. And that comes to, with all the collabs and everything else, I said 36 pages in December. I don't think I can do it. So these three, for sure, they're only 3 pages, but they might end up, oh, I missed one. Where is it? There were 4 pages. This Tiny Worlds. This one out of all of them, I probably will not do this one because I was going to make this Royal Mail be like make this holiday-ish kind of thing, but I think that's not going to happen. But I'll try and do this one in January instead, Snowy Cone Ski Resort, because January I don't think will be quite as busy as far as coloring. I hope. So anyway, that's it, everyone. Let me know what you think. Do you think I can do it? I don't think I can do it. I think I can do half of that. So we'll see what happens. I'll try, but then I have to slow it down next year. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.